Really, it's my pleasure to be here to Extradient today. It's really a wonderful program Clubma is organized. That too, in about after 1.5 years of the wait. Due to COVID, we are not able to meet now. We are able to meet now because of Clubma. Poultry as an industry, we are able to see the growth. As per Balram's presentation, is a 500% it's increased in the last 20 years. Even though we are still we are at one of the lowest consuming market. That's an opportunity for us future also to grow. Another 20 years, the same level of the growth we can expect. But same time, we are unable to see the growth in our inputs like maize and soya. We are unable to see the growth. Last 10 years back, whatever the production, still we are same level of the production is going on. The two in soya, 9 to 10, 11 million tons is a very, last 10 years we are seeing the same numbers. It's not growing. Farmer also, are they making the good money? That's also not the, something to improve the productivity in India. We need a GM to be introduced, which is worldwide, it's happening. Still India we are resisting on GM. That's one of the things the farmers' livelihood also it will improve, and poultry sector also we will get the future of the materials. That's the one. But I'm now currently poultry alone, I'll take it up 18 to 20 million tons is the total feed production in the country. Apart from that, about 16 to 17 million tons is for egg laying birds. For this alone, if you are going for a protein need, as a soybean alone, it needs around 7 to 7.5 million tons. That's the total India's production. Beyond poultry, there is other sectors also. Other sectors also, it needs soybeans meal, which is a shortage. To overcome these things in future, okay, last 10 years, it's because of the soy production excess, we are able to manage. But in coming days, year on year, the shortage is going to continue. We have to get the material only by way of imports. Otherwise, we have to push to go for alternate proteins. Alternate proteins are not appropriate. With the compromises we are using. Yesterday, Minister has spoken about the quality feed. Quality feed means it will come along with the soybean meal only as of now. Because other meals, it having its own merits and demerits, both. Okay, the soybean meal, if it is the imports, if it's allowed also as a non-GM, it is a useless. We are not going to get any material. I'm able to see in Africa also. Africa, because of the India is completely taken out all the soybean seed, whatever small quantities here and there, it's available in the last 3 months. There the prices are ruling at around 80 rupees now, which used to be around 35, 40 rupees. So imported soybean meal is important. That too is a genetically modified material to be allowed. Not only that, India's production also we have to move towards the genetically modified. Same situation is coming into the maize also. Maize is one of the excellent source of the cow. For energy sources, we have to use this maize, but that's also a coming shortage. Now, many of the times we are going to the alternate grains like a broken rice and wheat or bajra. That's also the future challenge. For that also, the government had to allow in maybe now whatever it came to soya, it's going to be in another 1 or 2 years, maize also is going to happen. Because industry is growing, but that much of the growth in production is happening. As Mr. Chandrasekhar in the morning, he mentioned the land is limited. We cannot produce more than this. Maybe genetically modified, it comes as like a cotton, another 3-4 years we can manage our needs. So feed is one of the thing. Today Balram has given up a very good presentation about marketing. How the modern retail, new generation people are coming and they are approaching in the how to connect the consumer. That's happening. Same is going to be happen in future. But whether is it going to be we are going to be limited to us as a production people, or we are going to convert into the good marketing company also. That knowledge to be acquired, that's going to be the future of the poultry. Otherwise, we will become as one of the supplier to them. The same problem what we are facing now, that's going to be faced in coming days also. Quality of the feed. Quality of the feed is coming from along with the raw material. If the quality raw materials, if it is available, the quality is not the problem. Now, as on today, I can say India is one of the good production efficiencies we have, but subject to material availability. If not, whatever it's available, we have to put it as a feed to fill the stomach of the bird. That will be with compromises. Quality of the feed to be managed through the quality raw material inputs. That's about it. Feed as a quality standards 1 to 10 scale, if you're asking about it, it's going to be, I can say it's 8 to 9 I can give for as and now. But future 8 to 9 is going to be maintained, I don't know. Regarding the disease problems, yes, every disease we are now adequately the veterinary services and everything is available. But only thing is only one problem what we are facing is the avian influenza. Avian influenza is the one thing every year by season we are getting affected. But for that we need a vaccines in the country. Vaccines, is it a technology? Is it any problem? No, that's not the problem. Only the government policies have to be towards it. I'm able to see in Bangladesh about 3-4 years back, when it's a burning in Bangladesh, they allowed the vaccines inside the country. Then completely we don't have any problem in the last 4 years. The same, why not here? When we are talking about the feed security, at the same time the chicken also secured. The quality chicken the consumer had to get. Okay, here and there if the diseases comes, how the quality chicken can be ensured. The only one vaccine what we don't have is the avian influenza vaccine. That had to come in. We are also, but last 15 years we are asking from the government. I don't know what is the reason they're neglecting. And another one is that they say that we don't have the disease in the country. They say, where is the proof? Which farmer will go to the government and they will say, my farm is get affected? He thinks he's getting as a socially boycotted in and around that area. There is a ton of the farmers, it will be there in and around him. One farm, if it is he's declares, another farms in and around also that will be get culled. So let's talk about Tanuku. Tanuku, how the density is in the poultry. So one farm, if they declare that Tanuku will gone, he will get socially boycotted. He cannot live also in that area. So for that, the vaccine is one of the things. For all these such a problems when it's coming, yes, independently we are approaching the department and sometimes they're listening, sometimes they're not listening. But instead of that, interministerial meeting had to happen as jointly. Industry and other ministries also, they had to come together. Let them listen and let them tell about their concerns also. Such a listening, it will helpful. That not only here also the Animal Husbandry Department, they given a letter to the commerce to open up for soybean import about 5-6 months back. But other departments are sleeping on it. Finally, CLAFMA and All India Breed Association, thank you to Bahadur Bhai, almost 1.5 months he spent in Delhi. So both of the finally when it's intensified, it happened. Otherwise, it will not happen now also. I think half of the people only will be here if the vaccine, the soya is not allowed to come. So these are the problems. Interministerial joint meetings time to time, as an executive minister mentioned, 3 months once, why not we meet? Similar way, interministerial meetings also, if it happens, then many things it can happen. Thanks. That's about it. Thank you.